Today, we have some exciting news about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, a device that could redefine smartphone technology as we know it. Samsung has just started shipping the Galaxy S25 series, but all eyes are already on the next big thing, the S26 Ultra. According to the latest leaks, this futuristic smartphone will bring some of the most anticipated camera and display innovations, taking the Galaxy S Ultra series to the next level. If you're a Samsung fan or just love cutting-edge technology, this is a video you won't want to miss. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the Galaxy S26 Ultra is the possibility of an under-display front camera. Recent prototype leaks suggest that Samsung is eliminating the traditional selfie camera cutout, aiming for a truly immersive, uninterrupted display. This technology has already been used in the Galaxy Z Fold series, but it hasn't been perfect. If Samsung wants to make it work on a flagship slab-style phone, they will need to significantly improve the camera quality. A poor selfie experience could be a deal-breaker for many users, especially those who rely on their front camera for video calls and social media. But that's not all. Another major rumor suggests that Samsung might bring back the legendary Note series branding, rebranding the S26 Ultra as the Galaxy S26 Note. This move would surely excite longtime Samsung fans who have missed the Note lineup. Along with this, Samsung is reportedly working on a brighter and more power-efficient display, ensuring stunning visuals with better battery optimization. If this turns out to be true, the S26 Ultra, or S26 Note, could set new standards for smartphone displays. Now, let's talk about the cameras. Samsung is rumored to be packing a 200MP Periscope telephoto lens into the S26 Ultra, delivering unparalleled zoom capabilities and next-level photography. This would further solidify Samsung's dominance in mobile photography, putting it head-to-head with the best camera phones on the market. Paired with Samsung's advanced image processing and AI enhancements, the S26 Ultra could be a game-changer for photography enthusiasts. Under the hood, the device is expected to feature a next-gen Exynos chipset, although it's still unclear whether Samsung will also offer a Snapdragon variant. The performance improvements will be crucial, especially with more powerful AI-driven features and high-resolution camera processing. It's important to remember that we're still in the early prototype phase, and things could change before the final release. However, if these rumors hold true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, or S26 Note, could be one of the most ambitious Samsung smartphones ever. Will Samsung finally perfect the under-display camera? Will they truly revive the Note branding? Only time will tell, but we'll be keeping a close eye on every update. What do you think about these rumored features? Are you excited about the under-display camera and the possible return of the Note series? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from phone's features. Stay tuned for more tech news, and as always,